I'm Bernadette, the fragrance specialist. And in this video, I'm going to be answering this question. If you have questions about perfumery, fragrance education, questions about scents, then follow for more. Back to the question. Is it normal for a luxury perfume like Creed to have some floating particles in the juice? These are not bubbles, but white particles suspended in the solution. So here's a photo. Yung continuation nito is that he bought it in the actual store of Creed. And then, a few weeks later, a few days later, nagkaroon ng ganong itsura. So, straight answer is hindi dapat ganon. This is a quality issue. You should return this because the bottles are actually crimped. It is not supposed to develop particles like that. Although, I've had experience with things like this, and there are 3 reasons that we were able to see kung ano yung mga naging contributing factor or like ano yung possible na nag-contribute to this kind of reaction or yung nagkaroon siya ng particles in the solution. So the first thing is physical components of the perfume bottle. So there's a gasket usually in the sprayer para parang damper siya para hindi mag-leak out yung liquid. There are some instances when it would actually become brittle and powderized. So that's one. The second reason can also be a reaction of some of the materials to the quality of the water that was used inside the juice. And the third one is that it wasn't properly filtered. Ano meaning ng filtration? Basically, when a perfume is manufactured or when it is made, it usually passes through a chilling stage for those sediments or those solids to actually solidify and then settle at the bottom. Pag nangyari yon, they actually it's easier for the manufacturer to filter it out. Baka in this case, either nagkaroon ka ng temperature change where you store the perfume, pwedeng niref mo siya, and then nag-solidify yung particles na yon. Pwede din naman na hindi proper yung naging manufacturing process for it. So my suggestion is that you return it to the store. I hope they will be able to replace it. Please update me in the comments below kung palitan nila, and I hope they do. So yeah, if this happens to you, you can return it to the store because that's a quality issue, either from the bottle or the juice itself.